Good afternoon. My name is Justin Bartlett, and I am Rowan and Audra's father. I will be performing Song of the Volga Boat Band. And while this is a traditional Russian folk song about the men who used to pull the barges up the river, it also kind of sounds and feels to me a lot of like the ancient Greek myth of Charon, who's the river boatman over the river Styx. So I had a robe that I was going to wear it. It was maybe a little raggedy than maybe Charon's would have been, so it was a little in the way. So I didn't wear it, but nonetheless, that's kind of what it elicits to me.